Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So continuing with our James Vandemon sculptures, he made these in the early 90s. I believe that these are all one of a kind. I don't know that he ever made two alike. The ones I got were none of them were alike. So once again, he's a renowned pinstriper, car painter, sculptor here in sunny Southern California. He made these. I bought them from the fella he sold them to back in the early 90s. This is kind of a Xena Ninja Warrior. I mean, these are really anatomically done very well. The paint is absolutely outstanding. That's what he's known for. This one is done in a real small flake black, and as you can see, with green and vermilion or purple flames. Super nice piece. Now, for me, these kind of look like they would be a great trade sign for a retail store, or especially for like a karate studio. If you put this in your window, you know, down on Main Street and put a spotlighting up on this at night, I guarantee you there will not be one person in town that will not know your store. They're made out of fiberglass. As you see, they're life size. We got the little Mohawk thing going. She's a really nice looking girl, very nicely done, made out of fiberglass. So James Vandemon did this work back in the 90s and did a fabulous job. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for watching our videos, and we'll be doing some more for you. Thank you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.